In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix Studio. Saving your work regularly is one of the simplest habits that protects your time and keeps your site edits safe. In Wix Studio, this process is quick and consistent, and I'll walk you through it in a way that's easy to remember. Think of this as your safety net while designing, editing content, or tweaking layouts. The fastest way to save is with a keyboard shortcut. While you're working in the Wix Studio editor, simply press Ctrl+S. You don't have to leave the canvas or open any menus. Just tap that shortcut and your changes are committed. It's a great reflex to build. Make a change, Ctrl+S. Do this often, especially after bigger edits like rearranging sections or updating multiple elements. You'll usually see a quick confirmation in the editor letting you know your save is complete, which is your green light to continue. If you prefer using the menu, you can save from the top left of the editor. Click on the Wix Studio logo at the top left, then select Site, then select Save. This route is especially helpful if you like visual confirmation and the peace of mind of going through the menu. It's the same end result, just a slightly more guided path. After you click Save, give it a second to process. You should see a brief indicator that your changes have been saved. A couple of practical tips as you work. Make a habit of saving after clusters of edits rather than waiting too long. Frequent small saves are safer than occasional big ones. If you've stepped away or lost your internet connection, wait for the connection to stabilize before saving to avoid any hiccups. And if you're collaborating, saving consistently ensures your teammates see your latest updates when they open the project. If you ever think, "Did that save?" Don't worry. Tap Ctrl+S again, or head to the logo, choose Site, then Save. Saving is non-destructive and quick, so there's no harm in doing it more than once. The goal is to keep your current session fully preserved so you never have to redo work. That's all there is to it. Use the Ctrl+S shortcut for speed, or click the Wix Studio logo, select Site, then Save for a clear, menu-based path. Keep these two options in mind while you build, and you'll always be a step ahead. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.